Are you tired of stairs that shift and move with the frost every single year? Introducing the Hewitt all-terrain staircase system. Our stairs are guaranteed for years of use. The Hewitt all-terrain staircase is the perfect solution for areas where construction of a permanent staircase would be too difficult or costly. The Hewitt all-terrain staircase system can work on many types of inclines. The system's unique design allows it to be adjusted to almost any terrain or slope, and we can customize the steps or platforms to any specific length. Landings and railings are standard. Multiple landings can be added as needed. No permanent footings are required. Simply use the optional mud pads or pound the support poles directly into the ground. There's no faster or easier way to add the convenience and safety of a durable staircase to your property. So if you need stairs, choose the Hewitt all-terrain staircase system.